go again. All right, so next things on this van, we got to take out this whole battery box, get everything out, because we're replacing all the batteries. So yeah, it's gonna be fun figuring out how they put it together. Huh? Yeah. Talking to the dogs. We got new shirts. Wow. And we have hats. And there's also 2 other colors, red and black. Hop over to the website, chewydesignco.com, put in the code YouTube, and you're gonna get 20% off. There you go, that's some appreciation. Thanks for watching this video. Keep enjoying it. Back to you, Brett. Now that I have all the battery stuff out, I got a lot more space, and now I can figure out what this bed's gonna look like. And a big part of that is we need to fit these bikes in here, so got to get some measurements on that, and then I'll be able to start building this first box. right, so now that I got this wall piece strapped to the wheel well, now I'm going to build some shelves off of it. So the whole idea is that they're going to have this blue water tank. They want to be able to still fit it right in here. So I'm going to design around this thing, making sure this spot still is there, and then we'll end up having some cubby space for some storage that used to not be there. Now we're going to be able to utilize a lot more of the space that we have in the van. I'm going to figure out where these cubbies, where this water tank's going to go. Bada bing! All right, so this is what is going to be the first part of the bed. I'm calling it the little pony box. A little box up against the passenger side of the van. And yeah, there will eventually be a piece that I slap on the front with little cubbies out of it so that now they can use all this space. So yeah, the water tank thing will go right in here, and then they'll just have little drop-ins. Might be a door right here for some other things. You know, trying to figure out ways where they can use all the space that they have in the van. So let's get in the van, see how it looks. All right, so here it is in the van. Seems like it's gonna work well for us. Just have to chop off this bottom area because it's hot. The bottom area is just rubbing this wheel well from that piece right here, all down there, but it'll still work. And this guy will go in there. Bada bang. So yeah, we're doing it. We're building the bed. All right? We're building it. I don't want to hear any of that. We're not building it, because look, we are. All right? Sweaty. So now that we got this cabinet already placed in there, I can get my measurements for fitting these two bikes under here. I'll talk with Michael, figure out how big this battery box can be. Well, really how small we want it to be, how tiny we want it to be. So we want to have as much room under here for these bikes as we possibly can. So yeah, get some measurements, chat with old Mike. Bada bing, we're gonna get it together. Sorry. Nuts, skipping lunch. Nuts, I'm skipping lunch. I'm nuts because I'm skipping lunch. I eat nuts because I'm skipping lunch. I'm nuts. Rhymed. All right. So yeah, we got a nice box, all right? Not to the untrained eye, you'd say, well, this is finished. It's not, all right? We need to now place this into the van, figure out where batteries are exactly gonna go because we still need to put that ladder in here. Have a good slot for the ladder. Because they have a slot, but I wanna make our slot way better, all right? Then I can cut out the openings on that side for that ladder. And we're gonna match the pony wall I did with the little curves. We're gonna match that whole thing, make this thing look slick, all right? It's Friday, all right? I'm tired. But we will push on. We'll push on, all right? These out of here. Let me stretch. Can't touch my toes. Touch my toes on Monday. Now I can't. What's going on there? I don't know. Something in the water? I don't know. Not a conspiracy guy, but could touch them at the beginning of the week. Now I can't. I don't know. But it doesn't matter because we need to get this thing done. I can't worry about my health right now at a time like this. This van needs to be done. Let's get it going. What are we doing? Sitting around here talking about nuts and stuff. Let's go.